Do it tired. Do it with no
Hmm.
energy. Do it with no motivation. Do it when you have everything going against you, but you still need to do it. One of my personal favorite quotes related to this is Damian Lillard saying, "If you want to look good in front of thousands, you have to outwork thousands in front of nobody." This relates to just doing the work, doing what you have to. Putting in the time, putting in the effort to get the results that you're looking for. A lot of people in a more comparable, relatable scenario, when you go to the gym, some people are like, "Oh, I don't feel like that good. I don't feel the motivation to go to the gym today," and then they don't, so they fall through on it. What I'm trying to get at is saying that you can't let your emotions and your mind
Hmm.
dictate every action you do. I know there's gonna be some scenarios where it's like, man, your body might be just absolutely dead and you have to take a rest day. But if you let your mind control every action that you do, and it just goes with the easiest one every single time, you're not growing, you're not learning, you're not developing, you're not improving yourself in any shape, form, or fashion. It's really important to build this mental resilience, build this idea that you control your mind, that you do what you want, and that your mind won't, bag you out of it.